My name is Pastor Gumbeze. I am a farmer. We are farming here in United Kingdom. I am here in Bedfordshire. Our main target is that we supply all the people around our vicinity and across United Kingdom, especially sunga and spinach as well. We are targeting that everybody who desire this type of these vegetables should get it. I think within a couple of few weeks or months, I think we are targeting to supply across UK. So if you want anything, you can order from us. We are ready for that. Our land is well prepared and we've got a larger land for supplying that. So we want you to eat the organic, original things from Africa. Wherever you are, we are here to make sure that we satisfy you. Nomoyo wese ndakuzisa kuti tinorima zvichabuda mupepa. Kazhinji usimbe ndo unowanza unokonzera technology, because when waifamba now they are driving, so you can't even dig the whole land like this. You have to find a machinery. That's why you find we're in a modern world. There's small machinery. But that one it takes the responsibility of mombe. So we are in advanced stage now. We do things in a short period of time, easy way, without breaking our back and all those things. Saka kamshina kanobatsira.